This is the first of my tool stations. This is the chop saw stand. Got a couple of shelves and a couple of plastic tubs underneath. As you can see, it's got the wings folded up right now. They're just a little bit shorter than the table. Got one on each side. Haven't done the cosmetic stuff yet. We do have a saw bolted down here with 2 3/8" bolts that go into T-nuts or blind nuts that are inside that top. That's some leftover shelves for some old particle board furniture. This is what it looks like with the wings extended. As you can see, we got a wing going out basically about 40 inches each way, all lined up with the level with the pattern. Got a fence on the back of each one so we can clamp down our stock while we're doing it. You can see this handy little support here. When you raise it up, it falls out, and makes a little noise, but now you can see the wing folds up right against the side of the stand. Makes it easy to store, easy to get it ready to work. One more detail on this stand. You can see that this top support only goes about 8 inches down the side, so that there's room for that folded board to store below it. And this ends is hinged so that when it's tilted up, the top edge of the support lines up exactly with this top edge of the chop saw. Pretty slick, ain't it?